Hey y'all, this is Kate and I'm bringing you The Secret of Nightingale Wood by Lucy Strange. This is a great book if you are a fan of Pax or The War That Saved My Life. It's a story of friendship, fairy tales, and family secrets. So it's 1919. Mama is ill, largely because Mama is dealing with the grief and suffering of knowing that one of her children has died. Dad can't really handle that mom's not coping well, and so Dad takes a job overseas. Nanny is dealing with a young infant that she's trying to care for, so they've all moved to this new house, Hope House, and Henrietta, who's known as Henry in this story, is largely left to her own devices. And so she wanders the woods trying to figure out some of the secrets of Hope House, including this mysterious flight of stairs, these things that this room in the attic with all these old things from previous owners. There's some firelight in the woods. But ultimately, again, story of friendship, story of coping with and dealing with grief and loss, and how it kind of takes a community to do that. So be sure to check out The Secret of Nightingale Wood by Lucy Strange.